Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we were starting with we studied our histogram. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we'll continue with the histogram. There is a connection error in the board. Sometimes the board will be blank. Okay, children? Okay. Okay. So we'll start doing our histogram. See, children, when we are doing the histogram, I'll show you. Okay, children, histogram when we do, the values should come like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. That means the ending of each class should be the starting of the next class. Okay, children, did you understand? Did you understand from this? That the upper limit and the lower limit of the previous class, coming class. That means this upper limit and this lower limit should be the same. Clear? Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This 10 should be the starting of here and 20 should be here like this. So what will be the next class? What will be the next class, children?
30 to 40.
30 to 40. And next class will be
40 to 50.
40 to 50.
like this. But in some cases, it will not come like this. That is 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Okay. So some cases it will come like this. 20 to 29 and 30 to 39, 40 to 49 like this. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem? When you are drawing the histogram, actually when you draw the histogram, the graph should be connected like this. Graph you should draw should connect like this. But here how can you connect? Because this, it is 9 and here is starting is 10. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in these cases, in such a case, what you have to do is, this is not continuous, but we have to make it continuous. There is one method of making it continuous. Okay, children? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, children, there is one method of making this continuous. In such a case, like this. If it is 0 to 9 and next number if it starts 10 to 19, we have to make it continuous. And that this is not continuous. This data is not continuous. Not continuous means ending point and starting point is not same. Lower limit and upper limit of the classes are not same. So that case, what we will do is, we have to make it continuous. There is a method of making it continuous, that is, what is the difference of these classes, upper limit and lower limit? 9 and 10. Take the difference of 9 and 10. What is the difference? 9 and 10.
1.
1. And what is 19 and 20 is difference?
1.
1. Here also the difference is
One.
1. So take the half of 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The difference is 1. Take the half of it. What is the half of it? 1's half.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is 0.5. Clear, children? Find the difference. Difference is 1. Okay. Take the half of it. What is the half of it? 0.5. And you have to subtract 0.5 from here and add 0.5 here. All right. 1 minute. Actually, our class is 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, like this. Clear? Are you listening? I want the response from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you got 0.5. Okay. Subtract minus 0.5. Here you have to add 0.5 each class. Clear, children? Clear? Clear? Subtract 0.5. Add 0.5. Lower limit, from lower limit subtract 0.5 and upper limit you add 0.5. So what will happen? Tell me. What will be your answer? Tell me, children. I'll explain it once more. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose our classes are 0 to 9. Listen to me. 10 to 19. 20 to 29. 30 to 39. 40 to 49. Like this. It is not continuous. So what you have to do is find the difference of it. Difference is 1. Take the half of it. 1's half is 1 by 2. That is 0.5. Okay. And you have to do one thing. From 0, you have to subtract 0.5. And from 9, you have to add 0.5. Lower limit, subtract 0.5. Upper limit, add 0.5. Okay, children? Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will be this? What will be the answers? Will you tell? 0, from 0 subtract 0.5. What is the answer? 0 minus half. Hello?
0.5.
Hello? I'm asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
0.5 minus negative 0.5, 9.5. What will be this second class? Subtract 0.5 from 10. Subtract 0.5 from 10. So what is the answer?
9.5.
9.5. And add 0.5 with 19. So 19 plus 0.5. 19 plus 0.5.
19.5.
19.5. What about this class? Subtract 0.5 from 20. What is the answer? What is the answer?
19.5.
19.5.
90.5. And what is upper limit? What is upper limit? What is upper limit? Upper limit add. Lower limit subtract.
29.5.
29.5. And what is the next one?
29.5.
0.5.
29.5 to upper limit
39.5.
39.5. This 0.5 you have to subtract and add like this. Now you look at the classes. Is it same 9.5 here and here?
Yes, ma'am.
Here 19.5, 19.5, 29.5, 29.5. So this case you can add, you can do this and make it as continuous. So how did we proceed? What we did is, we found the difference between the upper limit and lower limit. It is 1. Take the half of it. So 0.5. Add, subtract and add like that. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now I
ma'am.
will show you one question. And we will try that. Children, did we write this difference of bar graph and histogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children, this one is same, no continuosities. There is a kinked line over here, 400, here also 400 starts. So this question, no problem. This question, it is same, 400, here also 400, 500, 500. So that, no problem. And what about this? Look at that. Look at that, children. Can you see the table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the specialty in that? Look at that.
Continuous.
It is not continuous. How can you make a continuous?
And by
Subtracting 0.5 and adding 0.5.
How did you get 0.5, children? Because look at here, 126 and 127. What is the difference? 126 and 127. 1. So take the half of it. 1 bar 2 equal to 0.5. Okay. So how can you make it continuous? You have to subtract 0.5 and add 0.5 here. Here also subtract 0.5, add 0.5. Here also subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. So what will be your data? Will you tell it? What is your data? What will be your data? Yes, children? Tell me. Tell me, children. Tell me what is the first one? Yes. 118 minus 0.5. Tell the answer. Tell the answer. Tell the answer. You don't know to
17.5.
subtract. Yes.
117.5.
170.5. Why can't you tell this? Eh? Are you small children? This is first and second standard. You don't know to subtract 0.5. Tell the answer.
117.5.
117.
Yes. One minute. Yes. 170.5. Next one.
126.5.
126.5. Next.
126.5.
Yes, 126.5.
135.5.
135.5. Next class.
135.5.
0.5. Next.
140.
44.5. Yes. Next one, 144.5 minus, sorry, upper limit
153.5.
153.5. Next, it starts from 153.5 and
162.
162.5,
162.5.
162.5, 171.5, 171.5, 180.5. So this is the data. We made it continuous. Okay, children? Did you understand this now? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so write this. Write this question and write this question, and after drawing the table, you have to draw the table again after making continuous. After making continuous. Write the question. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter, and obtained data is represented in the following table. In the following table, length in millimeter, number of leaves. And this one, draw a histogram to represent the given data is the question, but you have to draw the table again before drawing the histogram after making it continuous. Okay, children. So you have to make this data again as continuous. Draw the table again after making continuous, and I'll give the notes to you. How can you make the continuous, make a data continuous? I'll give the notes. Okay, children, after writing, you tell me. And under that, you should draw the graph. Okay, children. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, I will give the notes to you. Okay, children, wait. One minute. Okay, you can write the notes now. Consider. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You write the notes now. Consider the class. Consider the classes. Consider the classes 31 to 35 and 36 to 40. One. 31 to 35 and 36 to 40. Okay. It is this data is not continuous. Continuous. Data is not continuous. Therefore, we can make this data continuous. Are you writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
By using this method. Using this method. The lower limit of 36 to 40 is 36. The upper limit of 36 to 40 is 40. Okay. The difference of upper limit of first class and lower limit of lower limit of second class. That is 36 minus 35 equal to 1. Half of the difference equal to 0.5. 0.5. Half. Subtract 0.5 from each lower limit and add 0.5 to each upper limit. I hope you understood this. Is it, children? Okay. So this way we can make one data continuous. Okay, children. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes. Write it first. Shall I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll show one question and the same graph is also given in that. Okay, children. So this is the question. Class interval. Did you see that class interval? Did you see that class interval? Can you see? Can you see the class interval, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is known as inclusive. Did you see that word inclusive?
Yes, ma'am.
Inclusive.
Yes,
Inclusive means it is not continuous. Inclusive means it is not continuous. 1 minute. 1 minute. Inclusive means it is not continuous. Did you understand, children? What is the meaning of inclusive?
Ma'am.
What is the meaning of inclusive?
Non-continuous.
Not continuous. Okay. And we made it continuous. And what is the word given here? What is the word given here?
Exclusive.
Exclusive. Exclusive. Okay. Exclusive. Okay, children. So inclusive and exclusive you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So inclusive is 10 to 19 and class interval again it is given exclusive. Okay. And children don't write this. This one you no need of writing. That is See children, can you see a line on the top of this graph? Okay, that line is known as frequency polygon. That is not there for us to study. Clear children? That is not there as to study. We should only draw the histogram. Enough children? For that line, this last column is given. So do one thing. Which columns I have put the tick, only that you write. Okay? Will you write it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it, children.
ma'am.
Only which I have given tick. This one no need. Okay, I cancelled it. No need. So you understood inclusive and exclusive. Inclusive means not continuous. If you want, you can write there. I will write here. Inclusive, not continuous. And exclusive is, we made it continuous. And these three columns you have to write. Okay, children. And here when you draw the graph, now you are drawing this line, you have to give a jagged line here. King over here. Can you see that king which I have drawn now?
Yes, ma'am.
Only this much. No need of drawing that line in between. No need of writing 0 to 9.5. No need of writing that. Just give a king over here and draw these histograms fast. No need of drawing that line. Okay. For the drawing that line, that last table is given. So no need of that. Just draw the histogram and the kinged line because it does not start from 0. Actually, if it starts from 0, no need of doing that jagged line. But children, here from 9.5 it starts. 9.5 it starts. So give a king over there. And will you draw it fast? One more period is there, no children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Why, Ashik?
Ma'am, due to network issue,
Okay, no problem. Do
Wi-Fi
it.
is not.
It's okay, okay, Ashik. What I have shaded, only that you draw for histogram. No need of that line on the top of it. And give a king on the x-axis. Only that much. I have shaded with red color. Only that you draw. Mm. Boston, Sean, Swati, Shania, Dominic. Dominic is present, right? Ahlam. Children, I will read the absentees' names. Ananda Krishna, Anthony Maxi, present. Anthony Maxi. Arun Bhaskar, present. Arun Bhaskar. Fagad Sheikh. Joel, Justin present. Justin present.
Present, ma'am.
Not Jesslyn, Justin. Karthik, Kshetra, Rinesh. Sriram Bhagat. Sriram is present. Sriram not present. Srihari. Not present. Okay, so absent is yes, children. So this was your histogram. Okay, so it's time to wind up the class. Okay, children.
Ma'am, can you show that once more?
1 minute, children. 1 minute. It's time to wind up. Jesslyn, it's time to wind up the class. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll show in the next class. Okay, children? So thank you very much. And come for the next class. One more class is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Jesslyn? So at that time I will show. Okay, children, one teacher is waiting for the next class. Okay? Thank you.